Hi children, today we will do exercise 10.1 question number 2, 3 and 4. Okay, move to the second question. The lid of a rectangular box of side 40 cm by 10 cm. If the measures are given like this way, one you take it as length and other is breadth. Okay, is sealed all around with tape. What is the length of the tape required? So, what is the meaning of the question? The lid of a rectangular box. Suppose this is the lid of the rectangular box and we want to cover this lid by using a tape. That means we want to cover this by using a tape. So, we have to find how much tape is required to cover this lid. So, what you can say children, length of the tape required will be the perimeter of this lid. Is it? Length of the tape required will be equal to the perimeter of this particular lid. Is it children? And if it is a rectangle, we already studied the formula for finding perimeter. So, what is the formula? 2 into L plus B. So, what you can write here? Length of the tape required is equal to length of the tape required is equal to perimeter. What you can say? Perimeter of the lid. Perimeter of the lid of a rectangular box. Okay, perimeter of the lid of a rectangular box. Okay, children. Now, what is the formula for finding perimeter of a rectangle? 2 into L plus B. I hope it's clear. 2 into L plus B. So, instead of L, what is the length given here? 2 into, what is the length here? 40 plus, what is the breadth? 10. Okay. So, that means 2 into 40 plus 10. What is the answer? 40 plus 10 is 50. So, 2 into 50, what is the answer? 100. The unit is centimeter in the question. So, you write down 100 centimeter. So, what is the answer we got here? 100 centimeter. 100 centimeter is equal to what? 1 meter. So, what you can say here? What is the length of the tape required? We need 1 meter of tape required to cover the lid of this particular rectangular box. I hope this clear. We have to cover the lid of the rectangular box by using a tape and we have to find the length of the tape in this question. So, children, the length of the tape will be equal to the perimeter of this particular lid. Okay. So, we find out the perimeter and what answer we got? 1 meter. I hope it's clear now. Now, move to the next question. A tabletop measures 2 meter 25 centimeter by 1 meter 50 centimeter. So, you do one thing. First one, you take it as length. Length of the tabletop, you can write length is equal to 2 meter 25 centimeter. Breadth is equal to, or you can write breadth of the tabletop. Breadth is equal to 1 meter 50 centimeter. Now, listen children, if 2 units are given there in the question, always you convert it into 1 unit. Okay, how will we convert centimeter to meter? How will we convert centimeter to meter? You have to divide by 100, is it? So, what you can write here? 2.25 meter. Like the same way you can write 1.50 meter. Okay, we already studied the conversions, is it? So, 1.50 meter and 2 point, that means how will we convert 2 meter plus 25 by 100 meter? For converting centimeter to meter, you have to divide by 100. That means 2 plus 0.25. What is the answer? 2.25 meter. Like this way only we got 2.25 meter. Okay. Now we have to find the perimeter. What is the formula? 2 into L plus B. Tabletop. It's the shape of a rectangle, is it? So, what is the answer? 2 into, what is the length here? 2.25 plus 1.50. They are like decimals, so we can do the addition. Okay, children? Then, 2.25 plus 1.50. What is the answer? 5 plus 0, 5. 5 plus 2, 7.3. So, what is the answer we will get here? 2 into 3.75. So, multiplication, decimal multiplication is coming. So, without taking the decimal point, you do the multiplication. 5 2s are 10, carry over 1, 14, 15, 1, 7. So what is the answer we got? 750. Now it's a decimal multiplication. So how many digits are there in the decimal place? 2 digits. That means you have to put the decimal point after 2 digits from the right side. That means 2 digits from the right side. That means first digit, second digit, then only you have to put the point. Okay. So what is the answer? We will get 7.50 meter. I hope it's clear. So what is the answer? 7.50 meter. So what is the perimeter of that particular tabletop? What is the perimeter of that particular tabletop? 7.50 meter. I hope this answer is clear. Now move to the next question. What is the length of the wooden strip required to frame a photograph of length and breadth is 32 centimeter and 21 centimeter respectively? Length of the photograph is given, breadth of the photograph is given. So what is given there in the question? Length is given there. Length is equal to 32 centimeter. Breadth is equal to 21 centimeter. So what you have to do here? We have to find the length of the wooden strip required to frame. We have to frame the photograph, is it? That means what you can say, children, the required length of the wooden strip will be equal to the perimeter of the photograph, is it? The required length of the wooden strip. Suppose it's a photograph, we want to put the framing, is it? We want to put the frame. So we can say the perimeter of the photograph will be equal to the length of the wooden strip required. Okay. So what you can write here? Required length of the wooden strip is equal to required length of the wooden strip is equal to perimeter of the photograph. What you can write? Required length of the wooden strip is equal to perimeter of the photograph. Okay, children. Now, what is the formula for finding? Required length of the wooden strip is equal to perimeter of the photograph. So, what is the formula for finding perimeter? 2 into L plus B. That means, what is the length here? 2 into 32 plus 21. 32 plus 21. What is the answer? 53. So, 2 into 53. 2 into 53. What is the answer? 106 centimeter. Okay, children. So, what is the length of the wooden strip required to frame that photograph is equal to 106 centimeter. I hope all these 3 questions are clear. That's all for today. Thank you.